In this video, I will show you how to use super zoom in Instagram. Go to Insta and open the camera by clicking this icon. In the left side, you can find few options. In this, you have to click super zoom. If you click this one, you can find there are multiple options where the video will only zoom in with some effect. So there are different types of effects. Starting from this one to there are around 9 or 10 effects. Each one is different. You can, from here you have to click it for you have to keep pressing the camera for 15 seconds. It will take the video for 15 seconds. Once you reach 15 seconds, it will be automatically stopped, and you can send it to your stories or you can send it to your friends. This is about super zoom in Instagram. So please like this video if it was helpful. Thank you.